Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be outside building the woodshed. Yes, we are building the woodshed for somebody. We've got some pressure treated lumber. We're going to build the woodshed over here. It's going to be like 16 by 8 by 8. It's a great big gigantic thing. You know, it's wonderfully freezing out here. Middle of winter, and we really haven't gotten any snow, thank goodness for that. But you know, what better time to build a woodshed than the middle of winter, right? So anyway, I got to get to it. I only got a couple more hours before the sun goes down, so we're going to get as much done as we can today. And then tomorrow we'll wrap this thing up, hopefully. For you guys, though, it'll be just a few minutes of enjoyment on your nice couches in your cozy, warm home. So hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Well, there it is, guys. The woodshed completed. 8 feet deep, 16 feet long, 8 feet tall in the front, and 6 feet tall in the back. Ended up taking me about 3 full days to build by myself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out some videos popping up. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.